Alright, y'all, so we got people in costume and we got people that's gonna do this iso chain tonight. All we're doing is the bicep curl because it'd be a pain in the ass to continually set it up to do different exercises every time someone comes on here. So we're just measuring numbers. So we got my boy Carter here. And we're gonna do the bicep curl here. So we're gonna set this up. Alright, turn it on. Alright, so you wanna do a step on the plate. I wanna adjust this real quick. I wanna let go a little quick. Alright, good. Alright, so you want to make sure there's no slack on it. And when you're ready, you want to, like right here. Yeah, right there. And you want to rip. I mean, every ounce of power you got for a bicep curl. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 128, 130, 132. Okay, good. Alright, what we got? 141. God damn, yo. Woo! Woo! Somebody got some strong ass arms, yo.
Yeah, I had a great bench. I had a crazy bench press. It was like momentum.
Come on, Chris. So you just do a bicep curl. What's up?
I'm going to do the bicep curl.
Hold on a second.
I'm going to pick it up and put it down.
That's what you're gonna do. Yep.
I'm going to do it.
All right. So you just wanna pull. Hold on a second. Release. All right. Switch it. All right.
This way?
Yep. All right, and then feel so there's no slack.
Okay.
All right, and like in 3 seconds, when I count down, you want to rip everything you got and trying to pull that up. Ready? All right, 1, 2, 3.
So I got there my senior.
Oh, that's so weak.
Oh yeah, come on, 45, 40. Okay. All right, good. And we got 45. Hey, anyone else? Come on.
I want to see how weak I am.
Come on. All right.
Just pull up.
Oh, so we got 170.
Just pull up.
Yep. All right, so that's good. And then when you're ready, everything you got, rip into it. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Yep. There you go. Okay.
How weak am I? I'm very weak.
41.6.
I'm so weak. Yeah.
All right. And that was inevitable. Oh, we got another one. All right, so we're gonna reset. Hop on, make sure you're fully on. Set the loading ring. All right, hold on a second. Let me just adjust it real quick. Okay. Okay. All right, ready? All right, 3, 2. It's okay. Yep, there's a little bit of tension. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. All right. What we got? Second one was better. 117.8. Woo! Damn. Damn. I got 171.
And then we found out it was like a 30.
Woo!
That was your first one.
Ready? $173.2.
Look at that.
All right, so we got more takers. We got more takers.
So what do I do? I just lift it up?
Yeah, so go ahead and grab this. Don't pull yet. Don't pull. Just hold it. Just hold it.
Okay, let me get on.
All right, let me adjust this loading rim real quick. All right, yep.
And then when I...
All right, so on 3, you're gonna rip and try and do a bicep curl. You wanna put everything you got, not no 75, 80%, every ounce of strength you got.
Tell me, man.
You ready?
You know me.
All right, ready? 1, 2, 3, rip. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Good. 121.
Is that a good?
121. That's good, man. That's good. All right. You got 121.
Since I had my kids, so.
Okay. All right, so go ahead and
What do
step
I
on.
gotta do? What do I do?
All right, hold on a second. Let me adjust it.
Can you make it shorter?
No, that's fine. All right, ready?
I feel like I'm at a disadvantage already.
Nah, you good.
All right, so what do I do?
So all you do is you just want to rip into it and do a bicep curl. So you're trying to bring this up, but it won't move. All right, ready? So 1, 2, rip. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good.
60.2.
66.8.
Oh, 66.8.
Hey, there she goes. Power level. Power level. All right, so then step on. Set this up. Just that. Okay. All right, so make sure so there's no slack left.
Yeah, there's no slack.
Okay, good. Ready? So you're gonna go for 5 seconds. I'm gonna count to 5. All right, you're gonna rip everything you got. Ready? 1, 2, rip. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. All right. 119. Okay.
Try this one.
Here we go. Stretching your legs, man. You're standing there. All right. We're gonna try number 2. Hold on a second. Let me adjust it. Okay. Oh, hold on 1 second. Let me adjust it right here. Okay, good. All right.
You're a dude, like you're supposed to.
Ready? 5 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. 152.4. Woo! Woo! Damn.
That's how you know that's our wall.
I don't build walls.
So when y'all made this, y'all knew that this was gonna happen eventually, and this won't be the only YouTube video that does this shit either. So thank you, Mr. John. Come on down. Come on down.
I don't even go to the gym.
It's okay, man. All right, so go ahead and step on the plate. Don't pull yet. Don't pull yet. Pull this one.
I'm a weak boy.
Sorry, man. All right, so I'm gonna rotate this here, let go a little bit. All right, now go ahead and pull. All right, so on 3, you're gonna pull everything you got. Try and do a bicep curl for 5 seconds. I mean, not like 80%. Everything you got. Ready?
All right, go ahead.
All right, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 59.6. There you go. There you go. Who's next?
That's gonna be easy.
Who's next? Come on. Come on. That's all. All right, let me set it up for you. All right, so.
The most embarrassing number on
No, that's fine. No, that's fine. All right, so let me adjust it real quick.
kind of heavy.
Here, relax your grip a little bit. Okay. All right. Yeah. All right. So, is there any slack? All right. So make sure there's no slack.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Ready? On 3, you're gonna pull everything you got on the bicep curl for 5 seconds. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo! Woo! Let's go! Oh shit, man, that's awesome! Damn, that's awesome, yo! Oh my god, that's amazing. This is why I love this thing, man. You never know. Alright, y'all, so there was some lost footage on the end of that video there, so this is taken the day after that party. It was crazy, it was fun, everybody liked it, and to be honest, everyone at Dragon Door and John, I feel like seeing this video is probably like a dream come true, maybe something that y'all have visualized for a long time. To see it in fruition like that, just multiple people trying it. That won't be the last time that I do a video like that. There's gonna be a lot more. So other than that, thanks guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.